people. So you know what? It's my birthday today, so I just felt like I should make this video. No, did you know that in the Auroville Ashram in Pondicherry, the ones who have their birthday have special darshan. You know, they have like a separate line because the especially the Matri Mandir, which is in Auroville in Pondicherry, is a very you have only very specific set number of people who are allowed into that meditation hall, but when it's your birthday you get a concession, you can join the special line, and that holds true for these other places also in Pondicherry. The place is so worth visiting. No, and the logic is that apparently our the time of our entry and exit on this planet has been predetermined. So at some level the time of entry is very sacred, and that's why I guess they say whatever you pray for on your birthday will come true. So it is very I'll finish the recording and start praying now, because really I've been doing a lot of meditation since morning. And meditation, actually, even if you're feeling a little slightly under the weather, you will suddenly become fine. So I have my kid joining me now, and so that's what he's with me because it's my birthday. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.